Ready to do the surprise secret treasure hunt?
Yeah.
Ephraim, you ready?
Yes.
All right, here's your first clue. You can read it.
I can't.
It says finding.
Finding the first clue will be a
Treat.
treat. Look for it where
Yep.
you get something
Something.
something to eat.
Where do you guys get stuff to eat? The first clue will have a 1 on it. Is this where you eat or where you get something to eat?
Get something to eat. I think I see something.
Is that a 1?
No. 7.
Where do you get breakfast from, Ephraim?
Can't see anything. Oh, I see something. See 11.
All right, you can. I'll hold it.
Now that you are
Fed.
fed, go and look for a clue where you lay your head. Upstairs! Head. It's upstairs.
Well, is there something where you lay your head or something where Ephraim lays his head? You got it. Awesome. What's the second clue?
The next
Place.
you will
Need.
need to look.
Stay down, please.
Is in the place you can find a
Where do you guys find books?
in my bedroom. Here's it. Okay, let me read it. I can read this. It's the third clue. Have you read?
Heard.
Heard the news? The next clue is where you keep your, I don't know, socks? Shoes. It's out in the relay. Oh, whoa. That was out in the relay. Come on. Let me read it.
Come back in where it's warm.
Fourth clue. I'm so smart.
Don't
Don't
tear
tear the room
apart.
apart. Just
Take
take a look where we
hang
hang our
art.
art.
Where do we hang our art?
Where no?
Where do we hang our art?
Here. So fun, so cool. 4 clues. Hey, but do not get
stressed.
Stressed. Stressed. You will find. No.
Find another.
Another clue where you get clothes.
Dressed.
Dressed. Up and down. Maybe it's my room set up. So check in your room. Check in your room.
Do you see one in your room?
Let me read it. So let me read it. Let me read it. Let me read it. The sixth clue. Looking for the
Missing?
missing
Link?
link. That is
Take a peek.
Take a peek, but by the kitchen sink. Now that, oh my gosh!
Oh, read it. Just let the the tape stay on there.
Okay. Let me look. Want to find the next
Surprise.
surprise? Go where you can see
Your
your
own.
own eyes.
Where can you see your own eyes?
In a mirror. Yes, found the next clue. Okay, I need light. I need light. I need
Okay.
light. Looking for one more.
Why?
Why don't you
Check.
check the
Front. Front door.
Check the front door. Where's the
Which one's the front door? Is that the front door? Guys, is that the front door? I know that's the door we use, but is that the front door?
No. Where's the front door? This door. Can I see it? Let me see it. I found me.
Hey! Don't fight over the door head. Mommy's got it. Mommy's got it.
I want to tear you off.
Ephraim gets to get this one, okay?
Yeah!
All right, Sarah, you get to do the next one.
He is tall and
Fun.
fun. Go sometimes
Weird.
weird. Go find that man with the hat and beard. And I know who it is.
Ephraim's got to read his first, right?
Yep.
And then you got one. We got to read that one first. Listen.
Next,
Nope.
that
It's a number.
2,
10.
10.
Little.
Little fingers, fingers, and 10 little. I think it's here.
Mm.
Feet.
Toes. One.
One little tummy, body,
Belly.
belly. One and A clue.
Nope. Cute.
A cute little nose. What am I?
What has 10 little fingers and 10 little toes and a cute little nose?
You.
Aw. All right, Sarah,
There's nothing on me. No, it's not mine.
this is the end. Sarah's got the secret.
Not me.
It's mommy.
Mommy
Has.
has a special
No.
baby. Baby. Why
In
am
her.
her tummy? Belly. She doesn't.
Would we say we did if we didn't?
That's the special surprise.
That's the special surprise.
You're gonna have a baby.
I'm gonna have a baby.
That is not.
I am. You know how you said mommy's tummy's looking a little poofy?
Yeah.
It's because there's a baby growing in there.
Maybe it's a good little boy.
We don't know yet.
Maybe it's a giant.
So you guys are
Yes,
gonna
it's a
be
giant.
you guys are gonna be big brother and big sisters. Isn't that cool?
Mommy. 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 You
Yes.
never